Hi guys, welcome back to pitstop.ph TV. So for today, we are back to another demonstration video, and our featured product to demo is our very own all-around all-purpose cleaner and degreaser Dirt Assassin. The demo video that we will show you is the works that we did on an old, used and abused Toyota Avanza. On this video, we will show you how we cleaned all 4 rims, those emblems, front and back, and some chromes, including keyholes. These are hard to reach areas and places, and that's the same reason dirt and grimes get accumulated over time. And when it's hardened by heat, it becomes very hard to remove already by normal washing using standard shampoo and or cleaner. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. So let's go start. Linisin natin yung mugs. I'm using Dirt Assassin for the mugs. So I sprayed it on first. Babad muna. Let it agitate the dirt. Kakainin niya yan. So let's do the front view. Okay. So I also love doing this, yung mga susian. And of course the emblem. Tapos here, as you can see, kung gaano kadumi yan. So again, I'll just spray Dirt Assassin. All of these products are brought to you by Pitstop Philippines, by the way. So later I will show you the result ng ginagawa natin. So here, sisiyan again. Here. Okay. So pag-brush natin kay Jay yung mga rims. By the way, guys, what we're using here, yung brush na to, soft bristle to. This is really made for brushing rims or mugs. So and yung lahat nung corners and edges ng brush na yun rubberized para hindi niya ma-damage yung rims. At the same time, yung bristle malambot. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng mga microfiber cloth. Yun nga lang, medyo mas masakit, mas mahirap sa inyo yung microfiber kasi yung kamay o daliri nyo yung gagawa ng trabaho, unlike for brush like this. Aside from nape-penetrate niya yung mga corners and edges, na i-scrub niyang mabuti at na-agitate niya yung mga kumapit tsaka naligas ng mga dumi. So nakita niyo naman kanina yung before nito. Pag nahugasan natin ito ng tubig, tingnan natin paano magiging after. Okay, so Jay is almost done. For this one, as you can see, humiwalay na yung mga dumi. Again, ito yung pinagmamalaki ng Pitstop Philippines pagdating sa mga products namin. We don't dilute them unlike competitors. We want our products to be concentrated when we sell them to customers. Now, it's the customer option to dilute our products based on where they will be using it. So, depende sa application. So right now, ang tinatarget pa lang namin ni Jay dito yung mugs. Mamaya lilinisin din namin yung gulong using our very own tire block. We call it back to block. So this is Dirt Assassin. Dirt Assassin is our all-around cleaner and degreaser. So ang Dirt Assassin, pwede siya sa mga upholstery, pwede siya sa seats, leather seats, pwede siyang engine cleaner, all around. So as you can see, nahiwalay na ni Jay yung mga dirt, yung mga hard to reach areas. Gagamitan ni Jay ng toothbrush. Again, this toothbrush is a soft bristle. We don't want to create any scratches sa surface. All we want to do is just to agitate yung mga stubborn na mga dumi na nadigas na at nanuot na. Ang nagpapahirap dyan is kapag natuyo na kasi ng sobra because of init or araw. Yan yung mga kailangan natin i-agitate. Minsan kapag hindi nyo nahihirapan kayong alisin and Dirt Assassin is not enough, pwede, yung lalo na yung mga natuyo ng dumi, what we suggest to do is pour hot water. Kasi yung hot water will agitate it more, tapos with the help of Dirt Assassin talagang hihiwalay na yung dumi nun. Ang sipilyo na yan gagamitin din ni Jay yan mamaya ulit sa ngipin niya kasi papaputiin naman natin yung ngipin niya. So let's see. Since this is the first time that we're doing this, kahit mag-initial wash ka muna para makita mo muna yung result, tapos pwede mo naman siyang balikan ulit pag may kulang pa. So let's do a wash test na day, water test. Let's wash it now with water. Let's see. So and see.
Wow!
Ginawa ba na yung brand new? Okay po, di ba? So as you can see, that's sa unang pasada, yun na yung result. So ito naman yung emblems kanina. Tingnan natin. So as you can see, naghiwalayan na yung mga dumi, diba? Kasi na-agitate na ng Dirt Assassin. Again, it's a strong formula, concentrated formula. So let's see. Okay, so there you go. Linis na, di ba? So the combination of Wonder Drop tsaka Dirt Assassin, it will bring back the luster and shine ng mga emblems, chromes and stainless, you know. So even with the mugs, makita nyo naman, napakalinis niya na versus the before niya kanina. So I'll post this video para gawin na namin yung mga naiwan.